Dipnote Productions. Dipnote Productions. Dipnote Productions. Dipnote Productions.
First, you press this utility button and you get the following screen. Press number 4 key on the 10 key pad to select the sound in the display. Goes into the utility for sound. Select number 5 on the 10 key pad to select preset in that menu for sound, and then you will get the following preset screen. Press enter and turn the value dial down until the screen says memory protect off. Now press enter twice, enter again, and the display said complete. That's how you do a factory reset on a Roland XP50.